Welcome to eBusiness and Event Management. I am Dr. Joseph. Today's topic is an overview of the Internet. Let's start with the concept of Internet. The Internet is a global network of billions of computers and other electronic devices. A network of networks that needs to operate around the world as if it were one. Characteristics of the Internet. The technical coordination of the Internet has these common characteristics. 1. It is open, independent, and run by non-profit membership organizations that work together to meet the needs of everyone. 2. Key success of the Internet. It is self-regulated and is flexible enough to adapt to changing future needs. 3. It's open. This means open standards. Open standards allow every network to connect to every other network. 4. Internet management. Internet as a business driver. The Internet is changing everything, from the way we learn and play, even sleep or do business. Something is happening behind the scene called e-business, redefining business relationships, offering easy entry into new markets and potentially increasing in the level of output by an average of 5% in developed nations' economies. Companies are using it to make direct sales, lower cost, boost education and create additional revenue streams. Relationship between Internet and business and the impact. To understand the relationship between the Internet and businesses and the impact, we must understand the meaning of a firm's internationalization pattern and internalization capacity. A firm's internationalization pattern refers to the different dimensions of the activities performed outside the home country, that is, the what, the how, the where, and when questions. The internalization capacity of a firm refers to a company's preconditions for involving itself successfully in international activities and the motivation of the company's decision makers to operate internationally. This composes of its resource base, technological, human and financial, that is a condition for successful completion of international business ventures. Importance of Internet in the society. 1. It enhances businesses, education and entertainment. 2. Students use the Internet to do research and complete their assignments. 3. Facilitates ease of getting any information you need. 4. Ease of payment of bills and file taxes online. 5. It makes buying and selling easy. 6. It has made hiring people easier. 7. With emails, short messaging services, video call and social media, people and businesses can keep in touch as well as transact. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up so that others will see it. Also, remember to subscribe if you have not done so. Until next time, keep learning.